I'm going to show you how to get your cartridge filters from this to this. First, you want to get a container that's big enough that you can put the filters in. And this is the one that I have. So what you're going to need is Spa Marvel filter cleaner, and I'll link this stuff down below. It's the best stuff. Now, this size that you can get, I just use the whole thing for all four. So while it's empty, I just sprinkle it all, I just put it all in the bottom. Start filling it up. Now while it's filling up, you take all your filters and you stick it in. Once you get it full, just let it sit for 24 hours. Now if you can, 10 to 12 hours in, you're going to flip these so we can get the top part. Once you've let them soak for 24 hours and you've already flipped them, then you can start cleaning them. So what I use to spray it down, it's not that powerful. Like if you have a pressure washer, you don't want to go directly right into it too much PSI. Now I just get a battery powered pressure washer, and I'll link it down below. You could either link it straight to the hose, no electricity, so it's just a battery, or you can run a hose and it goes into a bucket. You could also put some cleaner in here and then spray your filters off. Now, if you don't have a pressure washer, this here does a great job of cleaning these filters. This is actually meant for cleaning filters. Does a great job. You just have to go down the sides of it. It's a little bit cheaper. I'll have a link down below in the description. I just made a quick base, something that won't wobble, so I can spray it down no problem. So whatever you can do to keep it upright, don't lay it down. You want it straight up and down like this, because all the stuff in the pleats, you want to push everything down, so everything's going to go down. And you're going to put it on an angle. Never go straight in to the pleats like this when you're spraying. Always on a 45-degree angle, because you want to spray down. You don't want to spray in. Like even at a 45-degree angle, you're kind of pushing stuff into it, but it's better to be on a 45 than straight in. Straight in, you're just pushing stuff right in the pleats. So we're trying to get everything all out. So stick it on a 45 and just go down like that. So we're done our cleaning. You can see there's a little bit of gray left still in it, but it's a lot better than what it looked like this. What you could do is soak them again overnight, because you got most of it out anyway, so there might be some deep stuff in there, and then do it again. Normally you'll have 4 of them anyway, so you can redo them, clean them a little bit better, and then next time you got to switch them out, put the really clean ones in, and then do the same thing with your other 4. If you're looking for these particular cartridge filters, I'll link it down below. And that's how easy it is to clean the cartridge filters for your swimming pool.